Hello everyone, I'm Miss Nadia Ghareeb and this is my YouTube channel Learning English Skills with Miss Nadia Ghareeb. Last time we were talking about writing and how to write. We said that you have to read a lot in order to gain knowledge, to gain information, to gain vocabulary, to know what we construct or how we form sentence. Okay, all of these will make you able to write a good writing. Today we are going to take the first step of writing, which is how to form a sentence, how to write a complete sentence, a well-formed sentence. Okay, let's start. What is a sentence? What do you know about a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which make sense or give you complete information. I don't know. I'm going to write some words. Okay, and these words, it should give you information, it should give you complete information about something, give you a message about something. Okay, so what is a sentence? Some words linked together in order to give you a message about something or a person or a place. Okay, in order to write a sentence we have some rules to follow. The first rule is that in a sentence, we should have subject and we should have a predicate. Miss, I don't understand what is a subject and what is a predicate. A subject is what the sentence about. In other words, it could be a person, it could be place, it could be thing. What I'm going to write about. This is the subject. Okay, I got it. Predicate. Predicate gives you information about the subject, what the subject is going to do, or it describes the subject, and it should have verb. So what is a predicate? The predicate gives you information about the subject. It tells you what he is doing or what the place is about. In other words, it completes the message of the sentence, which is about the subject. But don't forget, the predicate includes the verb. And in the sentence, we should have a verb. We as a human being can live without a backbone? No, we can't. We have to move by using our backbone because it controls everything in our body. The same in the sentence. The verb is considered to be like the backbone of the sentence. So each sentence should have a verb. Rule number 2, the sentence should give you sense. In other words, you should get information or complete information from your sentence. Okay, you should give a clear message from your sentence. Number 3, which is very important, and most of you don't do it and lose marks, which is the punctuation marks. In the punctuation marks of the sentence, any sentence should begin with a capital letter and end with a period, or what we call it full stop. For example, here, I have my best friend lives in England. Rule number 1, do I have a subject? My best friend. I'm talking about a person, my friend. Okay. Do I have a predicate? Lives in England. Do I have a verb? Lives. I'm going to ask myself. My best friend lives. This is a verb. Lives where? In England. So here I have a clear information. I have a complete information. Here in this sentence, he is telling you that his friend, or my friend, I'm sorry, is living in England. So this is a complete information. So rule number 1, I already found it. The subject and the predicate and the verb. Okay, that's clear. Gives you sense. Yes, it gives me sense. So we have 2 rules here. Number 3, it should begin with capital letter and end with period. Where is the capital letter? My. Excellent. The M is capital. And at the end, we have the period, or what we call it, the full stop. So here in this sentence, we already have the 3 rules. Subject, predicate, give sense, and the punctuation marks. Begins with capital letter and ends with period. Okay? Okay. Here We have some sentences. We are going to discuss it together to know if they are complete or incomplete. Incomplete means that they are not following all the rules, and in such a way it will be incomplete sentence because I will not get the message you want me to know. The first sentence, cleaning the house. Cleaning is the verb. Okay, it begins with capital letter and we have full stop or period at the end. Like, who is cleaning the house? I don't know. So is it complete? No. Why? Because I don't have a subject here. I already have predicate, but I don't have a subject. Okay, so this is incomplete sentence, wrong sentence. We call it incomplete sentence. Number 2, not play in the class. Who not play in the class? I don't know. I have already the verb play in the class, the predicate, and this is not a complete predicate because it should be don't play in the class or you should not play in the class. So here I don't have also subject. So this is incomplete sentence. It doesn't give any sense. Number 3, while they were eating. We will see. We have capital letter, the W. We have at the end the full stop. Okay, the punctuation marks are great. They, this is the subject, were eating. This is the verb. While they were eating, what happened? I don't know. Miss, but I already have here a verb, but this verb doesn't complete the predicate. So this sentence doesn't give a sense. So this is incomplete sentence. Okay, so this is wrong also. The other example, the sun rises every morning. Let's see. The sun, this is the subject. Okay, rises, the verb. Every morning it completes the sentence or completes the predicate. So here I have the punctuations are right. The sentences start with capital letter and end with full stop or period. I have the subject, the sun, and it gives you information, rises every morning, the verb and the rest of the predicate. Does it give sense? Yes, I already got the information that every morning the sun rises. So this is correct sentence. I have the 3 rules. Sentence number, the other example, the children love chocolate. Okay, the punctuation, great. Capital letter at the beginning and the full stop or the period. The children, subject, good. Love, the verb. Chocolate, the rest of the predicate. Love what? Chocolate, already mentioned. So it gives you message or gives you information. So this sentence is complete, right? Okay, the other one. My friends and I love learning about each other's cultures. My friend and I, this is the subject, love learning, the verb, about each other. Love learning what? I'm going to ask myself. Love learning what? About each other's cultures. So this is the rest of the predicate. It gives you the information, the message of the sentence. So the structure of the sentence is correct. The punctuation correct. So this is a complete sentence. The teacher, the other one, the teacher is going to meet my family and me today. The teacher, this is the subject, is going to meet, this is the verb of the sentence. My family and me today. Is going to meet what? Or who she is going to meet? My family and me today. So I completed the information. So here I already have the 3 rules. Subject, predicate, punctuation marks, and it gives sense. So this is a correct sentence. So when you write a sentence, look at it and try to follow the rules. Do I have subject? Do I have predicate? Do I have a verb? Does it make sense? Ask yourself. And when you ask yourself, you will write a complete sentence in a good way. You will know how to form a sentence. Okay. Here, the last two sentences, I have my friends and I, and in the other one, I have my family and me. Both of them are correct or wrong? Let's see together. Which one is correct? My friend and I or my friend and me? Actually, both of them are correct. But it depends on the structure of the sentence. How? I don't understand you. I will tell you. If I say my friend and I, it should be the subject of the sentence. It should be at the beginning of the sentence, the subject, what I'm going to give the information about. Okay. When I say my friend and me, it should be the object of the sentence, the rest of the sentence. I don't understand. Let's see the other two examples. When I say my friends and I love learning about each other's cultures. Here I start with my friend and I. This is the subject of the sentence. What the rest of the sentence will be about. Okay, so the rest of the sentence is going to give you information about the subject, my friend and I. That's why I used the first person pronoun I. The other sentence, the teacher is going to meet my family and me. Why did I write here me? Because here it's object to the sentence. The teacher is going to meet me. Who? Who she is going to meet my family and me. So here it is object to the sentence. So now, if I'm going to write my friends and I or any other noun plus I, it will be subject. But if I used me, it will be object. Okay? But you have to put in mind that I should be with the subject. Okay? And me should be with the object. We have another rule. The first person pronoun I comes at the end. I don't understand. In other words, I can say my family and I, but I can't say I and my family. It should be the second one, not the first one. And my family and I, my friend and I, my teacher and I, but I can't say I and my friend, I and my family, I and my teacher. Wrong. The other one. My family and I, my teacher and I. Okay? Okay. Here, for example, my cousin and I ran to the station. The other one, I and my cousin ran to the station. Which one is correct? The first one. Why? Because here the first person pronoun I comes as a second one, not the first one. So the first one is correct, the second one is incorrect. Okay? I hope you understand how to form a sentence, and I hope you find my video beneficial for you. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. And if you want to ask me any question, just write a comment and I'm going to answer you.